What is the means test in bankruptcy? Let's talk about it. I'm attorney Leroy Roberson, and the means test determines whether or not you're eligible to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Now, I discussed in another video what a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is, so if you want more information on that, go check out that video. So, getting back to the means test. Since I practice in California, I'm going to be talking about the means test from the standpoint of the state of California. And the way it works is they're going to look at the entire household that you live in. That means it could be you, your spouse, your kids. So they're going to look at how many people are first in the household, and they're going to look at the median income of the entire household to see whether or not you're eligible. And I'm going to read the numbers in California for household just to kind of give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So in California, for a household of one person, the median income is $60,360. For a household of two, $79,271. Household of three, $88,235, and a household of four, $101,315. And for each additional person, they add on $9,000. So you can do the math there. Now, if your median income falls below that number, you qualify for a Chapter 7 under the means test. Now, if you're above that median number, it doesn't necessarily mean that you don't qualify for a Chapter 7. It just means that you have to do a little bit more work. And the second prong, if you are above that median household limit, is they're going to look at your income versus your expenses. So they're going to take a look at how much money you make per month, subtract out the amount of expenses you have, and they're going to look at, in California, reasonable expenses. You may not get the actual expenses that you're actually using. They have a certain parameter of reasonableness that they look at with their expenses, and they're going to use that expense number to see if you're going to qualify. And if the income versus expenses is low enough, then you'll qualify under the Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So that's kind of how the means test works in California. Now, if you don't qualify under the means test, it doesn't mean that all hope is lost. You can still file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy because there is no means test qualification for that chapter. Now, just to kind of give you an illustration how it works in the real world, I had a client, Brian, some years ago that came to me. Now, Brian was a single person, but he had a girlfriend that lived with him. And his girlfriend didn't work, but his yearly income was $120,000 per year, which averaged out to about $10,000 a month. And so right away, he did not pass the median household threshold for Chapter 7. So then we went and looked at his income versus expenses, and once again, even when we did the math, giving him his best numbers, he wasn't going to pass that prong of the median income test as well, so he wasn't going to pass the means test. But we were still able to work with Brian, and we got him into a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and we're still able to help him immensely. So I hope that illustration gives you guys some understanding of the means test. If you want to talk about it anymore or have any other questions, feel free to contact me and we can talk about this in more depth. If not, I will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.